Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use large and small function in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see we have been given a table consisting of a number of students with their scores listed in front of them, and in the last column you can see the total number of scores obtained by each student. For a moment, just imagine this data extends over a few pages consisting of a few hundred students, then it would become quite tedious how to find the highest and smallest score in the list. Often what people do, they use min or max function to find out the first and the last position. Let me demonstrate this as well. For example, if you have to find out the highest score obtained by any student in this list, so what you would do is equal max tab, and let's put in the table over here, enter, and here we are. You can see 388 is the highest total obtained by this particular student named Dalip Kumar. And likewise you can find the minimum score as well, is equal min tab, and again select this column containing the total score and press enter, and there you go. You can see 215 is the total obtained by this particular guy. So far so good. It's easy to find out first and the last position using max and min function. But if we need to find out the top 3 position or the lowest 3 position, then the large and small function comes to our rescue. Let me show you. Is equal large tab array. So this is going to be our array, comma, and you can see the description k. K means a number. So we want to find out the first number, so I'll put 1, close the bracket and enter, and there we are. It also confirms that the highest score is 388. Let's copy the formula down into rest of the cells. And now we have to find out the second position. So double click and simply put second in place of 1. Let's put in 2, enter, and there you go. You can check over here as well. 357 is the second highest total. And here it is, Tony Singh. And similarly you can go for third position as well. Simply put 3 and enter, and there we are. In a similar way you can find out the lowest 3 scores as well. Let me put in is equal small tab array, choose the entire column, comma, 1, close the bracket and enter, and there we are. And this 215 from this particular table also confirm that the minimum score is 215. Just copy the formula down to the rest of these cells, and likewise you can go for the second position, put 2, enter, and over here insert 3, enter, and there we are. So using the small and large function part, we can easily find the first, second and third place from highest or lowest point. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.